everyone, Mr. Mush here. So, today, we're going to make a pet headband so that you can wear it and you can turn yourself into a dog or a cat, okay? But I'm going to show you how to make a dog one. I'll show you my cat one at the end of this demonstration, all right? So, let's get to it. So, I have one dog ear done already, okay? We're making a big floppy ear with spots. You can use whatever colors you want. I'm using felt. And this is a project with hot glue. Whenever we have a project with hot glue, remember, you need an adult, all right, grown-ups by you, all right, to help you with the hot glue because it could be very dangerous. It gets really hot, all right? So we're gonna make like a raindrop shape for the ear because we're gonna use this little top right here and we're gonna glue it to the headband. Now the headband I just got on the internet, okay? And then I painted it brown so it matches with my dog, like the color scheme of my dog. You paint it however which way you want. If you want to leave it white, maybe your dog's white, okay? And then you just leave the headband white if you get white headbands like I do. All right, so let's get to it. So first things first, I'm gonna take a marker and I'm gonna draw that raindrop shape like this. Okay, and it's okay if you don't make it perfect. Look at my lines. Okay, it's not perfect at all. That's totally fine. Okay, because I'm gonna cut a little bit on the inside like this so I don't get any of the marker on my ears, so when I'm wearing it, it doesn't look like I made it. It's like I'm a real puppy dog, you know? So there you go. So now I have that. And you can always flip it over. This could be the top and this can be the inside as well because I got a little bit, but that's okay. So I'm gonna put my scraps over here. Okay, next, I'm gonna take a lighter color. I'm gonna use this pink and I'm just gonna draw an oval like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna cut it out and then I'm gonna glue it on the inside of the ear. Again, you wanna cut inside the line of the marker because you don't wanna get any of that marker on your ear, okay? So, let's see, this is the inside. So I'm gonna put some hot glue right here. Remember, ask an adult for help, grown up. Okay, stick it on, just like that. And there's the inside, okay? Next, I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw 3 dots and I'm gonna draw 3 dots right here, okay? And I'm gonna make them different sizes because it's nice to have variety, all right? And then I'm gonna cut these out, okay? Now, you're probably wondering, Mr. Mush, you always tell us to draw with a pencil in case we make a mistake. Why are you drawing with marker on the felt? The reason why I'm drawing with marker on the felt is because, number one, if you make a mistake, you really can't erase it, okay? Because it's fabric, okay? So, and plus, if you use a pencil on felt or fabric, sometimes it's hard to see. And just a marker works best, or you could even use chalk, okay? Because a lot of seamstresses and people that sew, they use chalk when they're getting ready to cut their materials so that they can make a dress or whatever. So you could use chalk and then dust it away when you're done, all right? So here is my dots. I'm going to stick my dots on my ear. I'm just putting a little hot glue like that as the last dot is trying to hide from me. Okay. And then I put the last dot like that. Okay. Now, the last part, we're gonna hot glue it to our headband like this. And we're gonna glue it on the sides like this. So we're gonna fold down this part, okay? We're gonna put some hot glue right there. And then we're gonna fold this down. And you want the ear, the pinky part not showing. We wanna see the dots like this, okay? and then you push down like that. Okay. And if you push too hard, especially with felt, it could stick it, but we want the ears to flop because dogs' ears can be floppy. Okay. And now I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to go to the side right here. Okay. Fold it down. And stick it on right here. Like that. Open it up just a little bit. And there you go. Here's my dog headband. I did not forget. Here's my kitty headband. To do the cat, really, all you gotta do is cut out triangles and then cut out a little triangle on the inside. And then if you wanna add stripes or dots on your ear, okay? But either way, there is your dog and cat headbands. All right, I would love to see your headbands, so go to MrMushMakes.com, upload a picture. I would love to share it with the world. Maybe yours will get in our online gallery or even on the show. So please go to MrMushMakes.com and upload your picture today. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We're a new channel, and every like, subscriber, view, ringing of the bell really helps us out in the long run. We want to keep doing these for you. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. All right, with that being said, I'll see you next time. Peace.